Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to insert SIM card and memory card in Samsung Galaxy A15 4G. Samsung Galaxy A15 is dual SIM, can be used with 2 SIM cards, or with a SIM card and a memory card. In the phone box you will find the SIM tray removal tool. If you don't have this tool, use an unfolded paper clip or pin to open the slot instead. On the top left side is the SIM tray. Insert the SIM eject tool into the hole on the SIM card tray to loosen the tray. Pull out the SIM card tray gently from the SIM card tray slot, and place the SIM card and memory card on tray with the gold-colored contacts facing upwards. The SIM cards are of the nano SIM type, and the memory card is of the SD type with a capacity of up to 1 TB. Remember, you can't use 2 SIMs and a memory card. You can use 1 SIM and 1 memory card. Insert the SIM card tray back into the SIM card tray slot. Ensure that the ejection pin is perpendicular to the hole and push gently. Thank you for watching. If it was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe, it would help me a lot. Thanks again and have a nice day.